Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change typing language or keyboard language on Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer with Windows 11, and first of all we need to go to the setting. So we can click on the start menu and then select settings, and we need to go to the time and language setting. Okay, here guys, before you change your typing language, you need to add other language to your Windows 11. You can go to the language and region, and you can add a language right here. As you can see, I have added 4 languages here, and I'm going to change my current language to, for example, Arabic. My current language is this one, English, and I'm going to change it. If we want to change the typing language, we can go to the typing menu, and then we can go to the advanced keyboard settings, and here you will be able to change it to the language that you want. Okay, I'm just going to select Arabic. I'm sorry, my current language is Korean, but I'm going to change it to Arabic. Okay, and now anytime I type using my keyboard, the Arabic will appear like this. Okay, and if you want to get back your previous typing language, you just need to go back to the setting and change it right here. But actually guys, you can also change the language here. Okay, this is for the shortcut, but usually the shortcut hasn't appeared on this taskbar. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change typing language or keyboard language on Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.